A while back I made a video installing a bunch of Elon accessories. They're specifically accessories for Teslas made by the company called Elon Accessories. And one of the accessories I couldn't fully install was the screen protector because we actually cracked it, which is a good lesson there. Just be careful with the screen protector. Any screen protector could do that. But today I'm going to install it for real and give you my initial impressions of it because I actually installed it a couple months ago and I've been using it since. And it's been great. The first thing you'll notice when you get it is that the packaging is really great. It just has this really great feel and vibe about it. It makes you want to support this company. It feels like it's coming from a small business that you want to support, as opposed to just Amazon or whatever company is sending it from China. This screen protector in particular has been highly recommended by owners. A lot of Tesla owners post about it on Twitter all the time and say that this is their favorite one compared to other companies. So far, I love it and it's great. I haven't tried any other ones though, so I can't give a full comparison though, but here, let's install it. So the first thing you got to do is clean your screen really well. So it comes with everything you need there. It comes with an alcohol wipe to wipe it down if you need to use water and then dry it off. And then it comes with the cloths to actually clean it, everything. So you want to get the screen to be perfectly clean. And if you have any dust particles or anything, it does come with these little sticky tabs that you can then stick to get any of those dust particles off of there that maybe the cloth would just kind of move around or wouldn't actually take off of the screen. Now be careful there because that is where we messed up the first time we were doing that, and then we accidentally hit the top of the screen protector and then that ruined the whole thing. The next thing you're going to do is line it up with the screen itself and make sure it's all great, and then it comes with 5 of these sticky tabs that you then stick it to the back of the screen and it holds it on there. Now I've seen other screen protectors have a tray that helps you install it. It might be a little easier that way, but Elon Accessories specifically said that they like to do this way because it's less packaging in general. This is more the standard method you would get with a smartphone screen protector. So once it's all lined up and you put those sticky tabs up, you make sure that it is for sure aligned with the screen, and then you unpeel it and you start fixing it to the screen itself. So as you unpeel it, it'll start fixing to the screen and clinging to it. It'll be very obvious where it is because you'll see the screen. You won't see the screen protector at all. And then you'll start noticing bubbles and stuff. So make sure that it fans out really nice and clean. And it did a great job. We only had a couple bubbles that we had to get out. And then it comes with a cardboard card to get those bubbles out. So it did take us a little while to get 1 or 2 specific bubbles out of the screen protector. But once we did all that hard work, it came out really great. Shout out to my wife for actually doing this install. I kept saying we, but I was just sitting there filming it and she was doing the full install herself. This is the kind of thing that she's gonna do way better than I would have. So the main features of this screen protector are, one, that it just protects your screen from any scratches and anything, and if it gets a scratch, then you replace the screen protector. And also it can take a good deal of force since it is a thin glass. It's like when you drop your phone, a lot of times the screen protector will break as opposed to the screen itself. So that's the same kind of deal here. Your screen in your Tesla is probably at less risk of cracking, but you might as well have it protected. The next great feature is that it doesn't have as much glare, like nearly at all. When you have direct sunlight glaring off of the screen and back into your eyes, it's going to be totally diffused with that screen protector, and it's way better than the actual screen. And then it detracts from fingerprints. So fingerprints you can hardly see on this at all. They do get there over time, but you get way less fingerprints than you do with just the screen by itself, which I noticed in the first week of that car, just how many fingerprints I was getting, because you're using it all the time. And then lastly, for me, this is way easier to clean. You just put it into screen cleaning mode like normal, and you're not really worried about damaging the screen. You can just use like whatever interior spray on this and it just wipes any residue right off that has come off of your fingers. It's way easier to clean than the screen itself. So that's the Elon Accessories screen protector, and that was the install. It's a little bit of a process, but any screen protector is going to be that way, especially when you're going to keep it there forever and you want it to not hinder the view of the screen whatsoever and have any annoying bubbles. If you want to buy that screen protector, you can check out the link in the description below to pick it up yourself. I hope this was enjoyable for you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for a lot more videos like this. Make sure to like it if you appreciated it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.